Hi famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Now famies, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. To those who have already subscribed, thank you and may God bless you. Now today we are just cooking a rice meal. We are mixing everything and we cook what we have in our houses, okay? Now, here's my spinach or spinacho that I bought across the road, okay? Somewhere across the street, and you can tell that now this one does not come from your reputable reputable supermarkets, because reputable supermarkets, they just put 4 leaves and they leave you there hanging. So you will see what to do with that 4 leaves. You will put all the mixed veg to give it some volume. So this one from the across the street, I am telling you. Actually bought it. It's not across the street. I bought it from this other market. But then I will not promote them. So let's chop the spinach, chop it. Why are we chopping it? Because it makes it so easy to cook when it's been chopped into smaller pieces. Now, you know that it's bedtime. The moment I start, just know it's bedtime. No story time today. Please, don't ask up a story time. So, on the other hand, we're going to cook rice, okay? We're going to cook rice, and I know you're going to ask me, what is it? What's that thing that you're putting inside your rice that makes it look yummy all the time? Don't worry. You see my water? Don't worry. Don't worry. Put some mixture, something to make it, it's food coloring, and then to make it a little bit beautiful, okay? So, boil your water aside. Put your food coloring. If you want your rice to be pink, blue, or black, or purple, any color that suits you, okay? Then, let it boil. Inside the that food coloring whatsoever, there's salt. There's also vinegar. I told you long ago, what do we do with vinegar? Long time ago, I told you that you must put a little bit of vinegar in your food because it makes it last more longer, especially when it's hot, during hot days. Now, that is butter, and also on the other side, we had chicken breast. So that is your butter, and I use butter. I prefer to use butter because it's butter. It's not as aggressive as too aggressive as compared to your cooking oil, normal cooking oil. Then these are my chicken breast. I'm gonna try by all means to make, what is it? Is it fillets? I don't know. What do they call fillets, nuggets? I don't know. Anyway, that's me beating it up. I need to buy that kitchen hammer. Yeah, the one that we use to beat up this meat to make it soft and tender. Okay, that is me. Okay, hitting it, making sure that all is well. That all is well. Right? Perfect. After, you're gonna take your mixture of spices, of course, that I've prepared off camera, and then just put it there. Base it on your chicken. Make sure that you base it, and make sure that you base it both sides. Both sides need to be based, okay? Don't forget that your spices already have salt, so there's no need to put extra salt. You will kill us, my sister. You will kill us. Have you ever been in a relationship whereby the guy, you are too much in his face? Oh, you are doing too much. No, relax. Give this man some air. I beg. My brother, give this lady a break. Yeah? You can't always be next to her skirt. So, uskaba too much. So after basing it, You're gonna put it for a few minutes aside. Okay, you're going to put it aside for some few minutes so that everything, it's you can't meet today and get married tomorrow. You must know this person. So after some few minutes, then put your chicken inside your pan, of course with butter, not cooking oil. However, because in this channel on this channel, we cook what we have all the time. So use what we have from Tasekaya. Use what you have, Femi. Nobody will ever crucify you for cooking what you afford and what you have. While talking, make sure that you subscribe. If at least you feel like subscribing is a little bit, at least watch the ads as well. If you feel like the ads, at least comment. If you feel like comment, then share the video. Ne? All right, cool. Now, it did came out well, but not the way I wanted. Ne? So, corrections. Make sure that you give it 1 hour before. I think I gave it for 10 minutes, 20. Give it 1 hour before you cook it. Of course, base it with your different types of seasoning. Different types of spices. So apart from that, after seasoning it, leave it for an hour so that everything gets straight to your meat. Because right now I need to negotiate with the spices. Hey, please dwell in, be inside, be one. The same way that Christ created a man and a woman to be together. Okay, this is my rice on the other hand with a little bit of green pepper, just to garnish it with red pepper, to give it a little bit of color. So to make it look good. Color is what did I do there? Hey, I was dishing up for what did I do? Now I'm showing you the corners. Anyway, it's fine. So it's always good to garnish your food, because why are we garnishing? We are giving it a little bit of beautiful color. Now, moving forward, we are going to cook our spinach. This should be our spinach. This is going to be our spinach. Yeah, it's going to be our spinach. And before you cook it, a little bit of cooking oil and your diced or chopped onion, right? And a little bit of your favorite spice or seasoning, any. Unfortunately, I won't show because they did not pay us, but any seasoning of your choice or any seasoning that you have in your house, because we are family here, we are famies, and we cook what we have in our houses, right? I'm lying. We're cooking gravy. Yeah, we're cooking gravy. A bit of tomato. It is not grated, blended. Is it blended? I don't know, but I use a blender. I can't grate it. It's a waste of time. I don't have that patience. Okay, then you're gonna throw your 2 cubes stock. So don't use mutton or beef stock. Your gravy is gonna be dark. It's going to be dark and look like a poison. And I don't like food that looks like a poison. On the other hand, let's cook spinach as well. We are going to start with our butter. You see, it doesn't look like a poison because I don't use black cubes. You can't use black cubes when cooking your stew, your chicken. That is why your meat will always look like a poison. Now we won't eat meat that looks like a poison. Anyway, forgive me for this part of the video. I don't know what is happening, honestly. This is a disgrace. But thou shalt be forgiven. Guys, content. Hey, ask them. Anyway, that is, I corrected it. And a little bit of, we had cool beans in the fridge. So I was like, cool beans, you have been in the fridge for quite a long time. Let me help you and let me rescue, okay? So I rescued them. Guys, we do content at night. I'm sure by now you know, this one, she's forever tired. But because of I know that I have a small Anyana community on YouTube, I show up, guys. Now let's cook our spinach. Remember, butter, and after you're grated and washed, thoroughly washed spinach. Please, we do not want to thoroughly washed spinach. Thoroughly washed. You see, you can tell that this one is a private school spinach. You see, you wash it, and if you really you are that person who's obsessed with cleanliness and everything, always you can use salt with warm water to wash your veggies, because we can't use soap. You can do a little bit of salt then to wash your veggies. Then the same way that you wash your dishes, isn't that you use soap, but then when it comes to food, salt. Then make it boil a little bit. After boiling, put a little bit of aromat. I chopped or diced, I don't know, this is not diced, I chopped onion off camera. My onion, it's not, the sizes are not, hey, us by now. I mean, you can't know and have everything. Something is something gonna die, something gonna suffer, so chopping is a suffering in this house, and we have accepted. We have accepted. So mixed up your spinach together with your onion to make it, And another thing that I need to make you aware of, famies, you guys like to boil spinach. The moment you boil it, it's going to look like poison, like black. You understand? But when you cook it like with butter or something, that green part will always remain. So avoid boiling things. Sometimes forget about boiling. So anyway, you're going to leave it for some time and few minutes. Low heat, of course. And after this, how it looks like. This is how it looks. Then I make sure that I chop the bigger parts of my spinach with a fork to make it nice and cute and well and eatable, of course. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of my cream. I can't remember, either this is a cream or yes, definitely cream. I thought it's milk. Cream, the brand, any brand, it's perfect, it's fine, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Use any brand of cream. Most of the time I buy the cheapest because I'm not about to waste money. As long as it can do the work, why must I buy an expensive cream? No ways. So mix everything together to give it a little bit of volume. We need a little bit of volume. Okay, a little bit of volume. And see, everything is coming together. And it doesn't really take time, honestly speaking. But when you boil it, it takes time. When you do it with cooking oil, it becomes way, way too easy. See, everything is starting to be well together. See? Very nice. Coming all right. It's that time of the year. That guy, you said, I love you. He's saying, no, I want to take things further. Then there's a cheesy cream. You buy it at any of your favorite stores. It's a cheese, I forgot. But something cheese, creamy type of a thing. I mean, we do creamy spinach in different ways. Some they use your powder soup. Some they use egg yolks. Like, you can use anything. When I tell you that cooking is creativity, it is indeed creativity. Now we are done cooking. This is our meal. Remember our rice, beetroot. This one is a ready-made, of course, and with a little bit of sauce. Homemade sauce. Story for another day for this sauce. And our chicken, spinach, and gravy. Yeah, that's it. That was fast. Anyway, we'll correct it. Thank you, famies, for watching. Stay blessed. I bless your day. I bless your month, your week. I bless your children. I hope you remain well. Now, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video.